Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, October 21st, 2020. And today we're working in a new module. Today we start module 4, lesson 1. I'm going to tell you a little bit about module 4. We're going to learn how to add and subtract using many different strategies. And the cool part is that you get to choose the one you like. Your daily goal is to complete your assignment, submit your work, and score an 85 or higher. What do we need for today? We need a pencil, and we need the new book number 2. We're actually using book number 2, and as you can see, it says grade 2, module 4 and 5, and it has the 2 right here. We need book number 2. And the live session, we need book number 1, and we will be using peer deck. So make sure you have the book ready. What are our expectations? Make sure you're sitting tall in a quiet area, that you have all your materials ready and parked, that you actively participate by doing everything the teacher is asking you to do, that you reach out to the teacher and say, I don't understand what's going on. Can you please help me? Raise your hand using the hand icon. You always stay on mute. You only unmute yourself when you're called on. Remember, another way you can be an amazing mathematician and do awesome in class is if you're doing hotspot daily. I bet you're going to have a lot of lessons this week because for 2 days, that was part of your homework. What are you going to do in today's lesson? By the end of the lesson, you're going to be able to relate 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, and 10 less to addition and subtraction of 1 and 10, boys and girls. Let's go over the key points, the important concepts that we need to learn in the lesson. We've been talking about all these concepts for the past couple of days. Ones, tens, and hundred, that's something that we've been talking a lot about. Now, we really need to internalize what does it mean, how many more, which means plus, how many less, which means take away or subtract, right? So, here's an example. 576 is more than 76. In this lesson, we're practicing how many more. Is it 10? Is it 1? Those are the only 2 that we're practicing. Obviously, this is not a good example. For example, it can be 46 is more than 36. Well, how many more? You know, it's 36. It's 10. Now, let's go over less. 76 is less than 576. Like I told you, this is not a good example to be using the pattern of plus 10 or plus 1. You can say that 76 is less than 75. Well, how much more? What's 1 less? Okay, let's do a little bit of fluency really quick. For every number I say, you're going to say the number that is 1 more. Think about it, 1 more. For example, when I say 5, you say 6. Get ready. So let's see the number. 16. Ready? Yes, 17. When I say 19, you say, get ready. Yes, 20. When I say 28, you say, get ready. Yes, 29. When I say 38, you say, get ready. Yes, 39. Now, for every number I say, you're going to say the number that is 10 more. Listen, when I say 50, you say, get ready. Yes, 16. When I say 10, you say, get ready. Yes, 20. When I say 80, you say, get ready. Yes, 90. When I say 40, you say, get ready. Yes, 50. When I say 20, you say, get ready. Yes, 30. When I say 21, you say, get ready. Yes, 31. Now we're going to try to say one less for every number I say. When I say 6, you say 5. Get ready. Nine. When I say 9, you say, get ready. Yes, 8. When I say 11, you say, get ready. Yes, 10. When I say 14, you say, get ready. Yes, 13. When I say 19, you say, get ready. Yes, 18. Now for every number I say, you say the number that is 10 less. When I say 50, you say 40. For every number I say, you say the number that is 10 less. When I say 50, you say 40. 50. Get ready. Yes, 40. 30. When I say 30, you say, get ready. Yes, 20. When I say 80, you say, get ready. Yes, 70. When I say 70, you say, get ready. Okay, boys and girls, let's start with the concept development. 1 more, 10 more, 1 less, or 10 less. I have to show you 36 with the place value disc. So I label my place value chart. I label the 1s and the 10s. And then the number 36, I label it as well with 1s and 10s. That tells me that I have 6 1s, 1 1, 2 1s, 3 1s, 4 1s, 5 1s. I stop right here because we draw in the 5 group column. And 6 1s. I'm done with my 1s. Now I'm going to draw my 10s. And I have 3 10s. 1 10, 2 10s, and 3 10s. I'm done modeling how the number 36 looks with the place value disc, boys and girls. Now, I'm going to show one more. So, here I go. I added one more. Now, I'm going to use the sentence frame that is in this side to select either of the sentence frame to describe one more to 36. I can say I have 6 1 plus 1, that makes 37. So I can even say 37 is 1 more than 36. Or I can say 1 more than 36 is 37. 36 plus 1 more is 37. Boys and girls, I apologize for that. Same thing again. I'm going to draw 36. Remember, I label my place value chart. And I write 6 ones, 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones. And I have to draw 3 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, and 3 tens. So here's how 36 looks like using the place value disc. So now I'm going to show you 1 more than 36. I'm going to show you 10 more. Here's what you should have. This is how 10 more looks like. So I'm going to use a sentence frame, but instead of doing 1, I'm going to use 10. I have to focus on this one because this is the one that says more. I added. So I can say 36 plus 10 is 46, boys and girls. So I can say 46 is 10 more than 36. Or I can also say 10 more than 36 is 46, boys and girls. I can write a sentence by saying 36 plus 10 equals to 46. What did we do to change that 36? I'm going to give you some think time. What did we do? Yes, we added 10 more. And where did I add the 10 to? Get ready? Yes, and the tens place. So you can say 36 is 10 more than 46. And now, how can I say that starting with 46? I can say 46 equals to 10 plus 36. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to show you the number 36 with my place value disc one more time. 1 10, 2 tens. Let me erase that one. Let me try one more time. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones. Miss Bocanegra made a mistake. She went ahead. So here are my 5 ones and my 6 ones. Remember, we always put them in the 5 group column. I'm showing you 36. I want you to show me 1 less. So I'm going to cross out 1 less. And since I'm using 1 less, I took away 1. I'm going to use a sentence starter frame that says less than because I took away. So I can say, let's look at how many I have left. I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So 35 is 1 less than 36, boys and girls. And 1 less than 36 is 35. Now, What did I do to change the 36? Think about it. What did I do, boys and girls? Yes, I took away 1 from the ones place. Look at this one. I put an X. So now give me a subtraction sentence starting with 36. So I can say 36 minus 1, because that's how many I took away. I took 1, equals to 35. I'm sorry that my handwriting is not the best. I can also say 35 equals to 36 minus 1. I'm going to show you 36. 36 has 6 ones. 1 1. 2 ones. 3 ones. 4 ones. 5 ones. 6 ones. And I have 10, 20, and 30. So I have 36. And I want you to show me 10 less than 36. So these are the ones, these are the tens. I cross it out, boys and girls. I have 36. Now, using the time frame again, using the one that is less, because I'm taking away, I can say that, how many do I have left? Let's figure it. I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, boys and girls, see, I have 36, and I take out 10, I end up with 26. So I can say 26 is 10 less than 36. Boys and girls, I took away 10. Another way I can say it is 10 less than 36 is 26. Now remember, boys and girls, when you subtract, you always start with the big number. And I say 36 minus 10 is 26. And another way I can say it is 26 minus, no, that's 20. Oh, let me write it again. Let me figure out how I can do it. So I'm going to write it right here because I cannot erase. Because if I erase it, erases the whole thing. I can say 26 equals to 36 minus 10, boys and girls. How can we connect what we're learning, the 1 more, 10 more, 1 less, or 10 less? Well, let's look at the number patterns. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. I want you to think, what's the pattern? Is it 1 more, 10 more, 1 less, or 10 less? Get ready? Yes, it's 1 more. And the way you realize it's 1 more, the tens place is not changing, is only the 1 and it's increasing by 1 more. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now let's look at the next number list. We have 23, 33, 43, 53, 63. What's the pattern, boys and girls? One more, 10 more, one less, or 10 less. Think about it. Get ready. Yes, it's 10 more. This time, the ones place stays the same. All of them end up with 3. But what changed is the tens place. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we added 10 more. Are you ready for the last one? Let's look. 85, 75, 65, 55, 45. What's the pattern? 10 more, 10 less, 1 less, or 10 less. What is it, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 10 less. How did you figure out it was 10 less? Absolutely correct. Well, you notice that the ones place didn't change. The only thing that changed was the tens. And instead of going up, it was taking away 10. Yes, so if you start with 85 and you take away 10, you end up with 75. If you have 75 and you take away 10, you end up with 65. And so far and so on. Let's go to the next one. Look at the pattern. 76, 75, 74, 73, 72. What's the pattern? Do I add 1 more? Do I add 10 more? Do I take away 1 less? Or do I take away 10 less, boys and girls? Think about it. Yes, the pattern is 1 less. Then how did you notice it was 1 less? The tens place didn't change. It's still a 7. The only thing that's changed was the ones place, and it was by 1 less. Great thinking, boys and girls. We're going to continue practicing more in class using Peer Deck. So you don't need to write the key points because we're going to have them ready for you. Thank you for all your hard work, and we'll see you later. Bye. I apologize for the handwriting. It's a little bit difficult, and I know this is exactly what happens to you when you use Peer Deck. Yes, 60.